Today I want to demonstrate the installation process of the Shield Extreme-M case for the iPad 6. We're going to lay it right into the bottom portion of the case. It's going to snap in. We're then going to take the screen cover portion. We're going to lay that right on top. And we're going to go around the case and we're going to snap it in. We're then going to take the silicone border and the bottom portion here where you have the thumbprint reader is going to go where the opening is here, the half moon shape in the bottom. Insert one corner first. And once we get the corner in, we can then proceed to just move around the perimeter of the case like such. We have a kickstand function here, that's optional. So in this instance, you can just snap it out. With the kickstand in, that will match the three incisions on the inside of the case, and that will snap in like such. We have the kickstand functionality. Just put your finger in, slide this down with your thumb. Now it's in kickstand mode. Swap it out for the hand strap. Again, the hand strap has three prongs. Just give it a press like this. You can adjust the Velcro strap to fit the width of anyone's hand. Velcro it over. Now we have a case that a teacher can use in the classroom for presentations and easily rotate the device. This will fit the Apple Pencil or the Logitech crayon, and that just slides in like this. And it's a very nice way to stow the pencil or the Logitech crayon. We're going to do a quick demonstration and drop the Extreme Shield M case from shoulder height to see how protective it is. And as you can see, it turns on. No damage to the back, no damage to the front. There's no damage to the case whatsoever. Perfect working condition. We could toss this all day and it's not going to break. For more information, please visit us at maxcases.com.